Well, you're at Sandia Aerospace here in Albuquerque. We design, manufacture, market, and service avionics equipment for general aviation. That would be the small piston aircraft. We employ several different disciplines. We have electrical engineers, software engineers, marketing specialists, sales specialists, manufacturing assemblers, and technicians for both engineering and for service.
When you work in a small company like Sandia Aerospace, you have a lot of different jobs that you do. So we don't really have a typical day in a company this size. It varies from day to day. But some of the things that we work on fairly regularly would be designing circuits for our applications, using different software, doing bench testing, really a variety of things, writing some technical documents, just a lot of different things.
We do not do a lot of oversight here. We depend on people being able to work on their own. Our oversight is mostly from the FAA, so we look for people that have strong skills, that can work independently, and believe in getting a job well done. Knowing that our products are very important in the aviation, people rely on these every day, so they have to be very quality-minded.
You have to be very detail-oriented. I mean, this is very critical. Parts that we make, are going to go into an aircraft, so you have to be really diligent on making sure these parts are correct. In addition to inspection, I also interface with the FAA, so that's always a challenge to please them, because they have different criteria and we have to amend ours to suit their. But it's all safety oriented, so we just have to make sure that our products suit their needs. So that's the challenge of the job. But it's fun. It's really fun.
I really love what I do here because it is really exciting, and I mean the products we're building. It's like I'm solving a puzzle. I look at my job as like I'm solving a puzzle. It's like a puzzle game for me. So I get really into it and have a lot of fun with it. It's good.
Study hard. Mathematics is always important. You don't have to be a mathematical whiz, but mathematics is used in every discipline of life. So work hard on your mathematics course. Learn your English. You have to communicate with people. Really work on that. That's very, very important. Read. You learn an awful lot from reading. If you work with your hands and in shop, that's a great opportunity, because in our industry we do a lot of work with our hands. Not only our heads, but our hands as well.
As far as like electronic assemblers and technicians, I think to go and get an electronics associate's degree in electronics, a technician, that'd be a good start. If you are interested in research and development, then definitely go and get your bachelor's degree.
What they need to have is a lot of basically electronics. That's the main thing.
The big thing is look at yourself, I think, and to be an engineer, to be an effective engineer, it's a huge field, and you basically have to be very curious. It's not necessarily about how smart or how much you know, it's about how curious you are and how much of that you see around you and you remember and can use. It's not really just your own curiosity. I think you have to be a very curious type person to be an effective engineer.
General aviation is not a huge industry compared to, say, the automotive, but it's larger than the airline industry. We have more aircraft in general aviation than we do in airlines. There's jobs anywhere, whether you want to be an engineer, you want to be a technician, whether you want to be an assembler. We pay well. There's jobs in every state in the union and almost any city in the union. And the growth potential is great. You don't have to be an MBA to do well in this industry. We just look for high quality, skilled, hardworking individuals, and you can write your own ticket.